Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is JoJo Palacio, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty, everything. Nothing is an exception. Today on this video we're gonna do this eye look right here. I'm not filming the complexion portion just because I did that with my last full glam video. Again, we're trying out foundations, and when I try out foundations I try it consecutively with like full-on glam looks with wearing the masks and blah 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 blah. So I just feel like let's not switch up the complexion just yet. Let's do the eyes. And this is what I came up with. I wanted something super neutral but sexy and sultry, and I'm wearing a little bit of yellow with my outfit. So this is truly what I came up with. So I hope that you guys liked it. Before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday of the week. And look me up on Instagram, it's JoJo Palacio. I actually posted a quick glowy skincare routine before getting ready for this video on Instagram. So if you guys missed it and you want to see it, go ahead and comment down below and I will definitely do one on here for you guys, or even an IGTV. I also have my extensions in, if you guys couldn't tell. If you want to see a video on that, just let me know. I am by no means a hair guru, no. I do hair last just because if I don't have time for it, then oh well. Like, that's just me. So, I'm not gonna talk too long. We'll keep this intro super short. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started by doing the eyes first. I'm gonna take my P. Louise eyeshadow base and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger and start to warm it up and spread that out on my eyelid. Once I've worked it onto the eyelid quite a bit, I'm going to take my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and then we're just going to finish blending that out all throughout. I like to take it all the way from underneath of the brow to the inner corner, outer corner, and even sometimes the lower lash line so that we can tie the look together as we go. I always think it's funny when I'm editing my videos that like I go from being full glam to like this because this is how I start. I think you guys must be like, whoa, who is that? Anyway, so today we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to start off by taking these two colors here. Where is it? Yeah, this one and this one. We're going to start off by taking both of those colors and we're going to blend that into the crease area using a JH30. I just like the way that the two colors kind of work together. They're very similar, but they're not. Don't know, but they're not. So I'm going to just take that on a nice big fluffy brush if you don't have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease area, not really being careful with it, just windshield wiper motions from the inner corner to the outer corner, very light pressure. I really felt like going for a smoky type of look, not something super colorful. And even though my dress is like a yellow with black, and I think it has a little bit of orange in it, I just automatically went for like the gold instead of yellow, you know? That's kind of like a way around it. If you're wearing something like a yellow or even an orange or a red, you can always play with coppers and golds versus going with the exact same color. So I just like to create a nice smoke to start to create some depth in the crease, and then we will build with the same colors, just a different brush. Okay, so using the same two shades, we're just gonna switch over to the JH34. I'm pretty sure that light is gonna die on me. And we're just gonna keep this right in the crease area. Same motions, but this brush is just gonna help build because it's smaller. So once you've built this depth and you've got it going on, so we're gonna take this little brush right here. This is a Luxie 231 brush, and I'm gonna take this brown that's in the palette. It's right there, that guy. It's like a true brown. The next one is like purple brown. Don't really want that. So I'm gonna take this brown, this deep, dark chocolate looking brown, and we're gonna start to create that depth on the outer corner. So like always, I like to lay down the color right in the outer corner to make sure that it is the darkest there. And then what I like to do is just tilt my head back and wiggle that right into the crease area out there so that I can start to, again, just very subtly, very lightly blend up. It should go from very much dark pigment to a very blended light pigmentation. Nice. So what you'll notice I'll always do is I will go into the outer corner first, pat, deposit majority of the product in the outer corner, and then drag it in once I notice that most of the product is just left off in the outer corner. All right, so we've got a nice blend going on. Let's cut this crease up. I'm gonna go back into the P. Louise base and my Makeup Shack T79 brush. I just like to take a little bit on the brush here. Boom. A little bit is enough because we're like halfway cutting the crease, not fully. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just start by stamping it close to the lash line. And then what you're gonna do is just give yourself the biggest eye roll you have ever done. And so just by doing that or looking up at the ceiling, you don't have to roll your eyes, anybody. It's gonna stamp out where your lid is naturally going to fall so that we can do a nice cut crease without having any transferring of the lid shade to the top lid. There's nothing more annoying than that. Starting off with a nice crisp look and then 2 hours into the night, you notice that everything's just transferring all over the place. This is how you can avoid that. Just like that. So we're gonna go back into the palette. This is where I'm gonna use a gold instead of using a yellow. And I'm gonna take this very like dusty, dirty gold color right here. Love it. We're gonna pack that all over the lid. I'm using a pretty thick shading brush. And then you guys know that I like a transition shade in between any lid shade and outer corner shade. So what I'm gonna do is take this guy, that guy right there. Colors just don't come off the same. Ooh. But it's still like a light gold color with the opposite side of that brush. And we're gonna put that right in between to help the transition so it's not as harsh. It's a good looking lid right there. So that's pretty much it for the lid shade. We're gonna go right into the liner. I'm not gonna line it out. I'm just gonna leave the shade to do all of the work for us at this point, but I am gonna take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil. This is in the shade Demolition. It is one of my favorite browns ever. You're gonna keep this line really close to the lash line and do it a little thicker than thin. Especially in that inner corner, I like it a little chunkier just because it helps the lash band hide a little better. Perfect. And then what I like to do is take a smudger brush like this one right here. And with the smudging brush, we're gonna go back into that brown and we're just gonna smudge that in so it's nice and smoky and seamless. It's not just a solid brown line. All right, so let's get some mascara on. We're gonna take my Dior Pump and Volume mascara. Nice coat of mascara, and then we're taking the Beauty Creation lashes in the shade Undisclosed. I love these little boxes. I got 99 problems, but my lashes ain't one. True. So I'm just gonna take this guy and I am going to place my Duo Quick Set glue right here. I was just having a conversation with someone about this. My nail technician was telling me that she has an issue putting lashes on, and she bought a pair of 6 lashes and only been able to successfully put it on once. And she thinks that it's just because it's not meant for her. However, not true. God wouldn't do that to you, girl. But I do believe that it is all in the glue. So this has been the glue that I've enjoyed the most out of all the years that I've been using lash glue. This is a Duo Quick Set glue with the silicone applicator, and I love that. It is the best. It takes maybe 20 seconds, truly 20 seconds, not that 2 minutes, 20 seconds, you know? And it just goes on so great. It sits where you lay it. It's tacky quickly. I just love it. It hasn't failed me yet. So I think if you're having an issue with your lashes, try this lash glue. All right, so I'm gonna just lay this baby on. All right, guys, so the lashes are on. That's pretty much it for the look. I'm gonna do the foundation, the base and stuff, off of camera just because I feel like it is literally the same routine as the last Glam video that I did. So I will link that video to this one and I will list everything down below. But let me fix the rest of my face and I will see you guys for the outro. All right, guys, so this is the finished look right here. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. My skin looks so good. What I did before getting ready was I prepped my skin according to my glowy skincare routine, just because I wanted my skin to be glass-like, glossy-like, and it truly just looks that way. Like even in person, it's not just the lighting, it looks that way. So I am super happy with the way that the skin turned out. I am happy with how the look turned out in general. I paired the lip with some of the Huda Beauty lip contour in Spice Girl, and then I also topped it off with NARS Super Vixen. That's kind of been like my go-to no makeup gloss situation, and I feel like it did well. It's like a nude but a little bit of color, you know? So that is it for today's videos, guys. I hope that you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so. The button's just right down there. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday of the week, every single week, with all kinds of content. It is about all things beauty, and I am so excited for you guys to join the JoJo Palacio team. So that is it for this video. Love you, bless you, and I will see you guys next time.